in the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye means very quickly or in a very short amount of time. Let's look at some example sentences. The sunny sky turned into a storm in the blink of an eye. Our week-long vacation ended in the blink of an eye. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. In just a few short years, smartphones completely replaced traditional cell phones. In the blink of an eye, smartphones completely replaced traditional cell phones. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.